And the race is on. Stormy Norman, My Chemical Romance from the outside, rushing up. Is Bring It On by Darrell. Is Stormy Norman. It's now Bring It On. Stormy Norman, Lisa's Magic, Stand By Your Man, Toe the Mark. Rushing up is Final Impact on the further outside. It's now entry number 9, Bring It On. And on the outside is Lisa's Magic, Stormy Norman, Stand By Your Man. Final Impact together with Toe the Mark. As they race the final corner, Bring It On, Lisa's Magic. Stormy Norman down on the inside. Final Impact is on the further outside. Stand By Your Man, Gray Magic to the mark. It's now Lisa's Magic by some 3 lengths, followed by Bring It On, Final Impact, Gray Magic by Darrell. And nearing the finish line, Lisa's Magic, Gray Magic. Final Impact, close, Magic Machine, number 9A. Stand By Your Man, Stormy Norman, Bring It On to the mark.